Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to format a Trello board in 2024. So whether you are trying to organize some tasks or you're just trying to manage a project, formatting your Trello board helps you stay productive. So to format your Trello board, make sure to follow the step-by-step guide and you'll be able to do it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you do so, go on to the URL section. Basically, just type trello.com, hit the enter button. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page. So click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, simply just go and click on create an account. And as you can see, you can use a Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack account if you have one of those. So you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you log in into your account, you'll find yourself on the works of your workspace if you have one. If you don't, just go and create a new workspace, simple as that. And of course, you can also invite members and do a lot of stuff. But as an example, or as we said, we would like to format a Trello board. So you'll need to choose a template or maybe start fresh. So start by either selecting a template from Trello templates gallery or creating a new board from scratch as an example. So let's just go here, click on create, as an example, create a board. I'll choose like this background title. I'll just name it like tests. Visibility, I'll let it workspace or public. Yeah, why not? Yes. Then, as you said, we'll go here and start by selecting the templates from Trello templates gallery. So I'll just go and select that. And as you can see, I'll have here top templates. If this is not enough, I can just go here and click on explore more templates and I'll be able to look for more templates. So of course, templates can help you save time. If you're looking for a pre-format layout, it's very good for you. So I'll choose this tier list template. Why not? Seems, I don't know. Okay, so why not? I'll just go here, create a new board, put this, I'll just name it test and or why not? Let's use the template. So I was going to use to start without a template. I don't know why it refused to connect. I'll just go and use this template. So just name it test in here on Omics Workplace. Click on create, and as you can see, creating board, and it should be created right away. So as you can see, normally if you did not start with the templates, you'll have to go and add your own list by your own. Of course, how to add a list? Simply you'll find this plus button, add another list, click on it, and name that list whatever you want. Since this is a tier list like templates, I'll just name it like SSS. Of course, as you can see, and click on add the list, and as you can see, you'll have to add cards, suites, and etc. So once you add your list, you will need, of course, you can name your list however you want based on the project stages that you have. Maybe as an example, if you have some tasks you need to do, maybe like you can do in progress tasks, completed tasks, waiting for someone to do it, maybe task or something like that. So it's up to you to add whatever list you want. After that, based on the projects as you said, or task categories, or any other structure that fits your workflow, make sure to go within each list example to create your cards to represent individual tasks or items. Maybe as an example in this one, I'll just go and add a task and or card. As an example here, I'll just name it do something. I have nothing in mind at the moment, so I'll just list it like that. So in this do something, as an example, this is like a card. I'll just go and add it. Of course, I can go and assign someone to it. I can go and give it some labels. Maybe as an example, choose this label and title of it is important. So importance as an example. Since it's important, I guess red is good. Oh, not delete, sorry. Yeah, save. Yeah, good. You can create as many labels as you want, as you can see. So people now, this person is assigned to this task. As an example, do something. It's important. Of course, you can take it to another like list. It's up to you. And you can even like move the lists in here. Other than that, other than adding tasks, of course, or cards, of course, can be formatted within like due dates, labels, checklists, and attachments to give them like structure. To format a card, you can simply just click on that pin, and you can do whatever you want with that card. Of course, labels. are very, very useful to organize your board and click on a card, like as an example, this pen, and you can simply, as we said before, click on edit labels, create whatever label you want, give it whatever color you want. You can even enable some color blind like friendly mode. So if someone in your team, as example, is color blind, it's very, very good this for him. He will understand the difference, as example, between colors because of this like color blind feature, which is very, very good, as we said, for color blind people. So as we said, labels will help like visually organize your board. You can click on a card and select like the labels that you want, as we said before, or as we showed you. You can of course color your code, your tasks, and you can customize the meaning of each label, such as maybe high priority, high progress, or in progress, needs review, completed, and like all the examples that you can do. So at the moment, I'll just go here and delete this list as an example. So yeah, I'll just go and archive this list. I'll just keep this light template as it was as an example. So as you can see in here, you can go and create like multiple cards on it, like maybe S tier is the most important one. So do this as example. So this is a card and you can assign this as example to a specific person. You can like the members example, this one for labels example, puts important for checklists example, add something. And yeah, like you'll be able to do multiple stuff. And as we said, you can maybe this is in progress. Once you finish it, you can take this like task or card to review, then complete it, etc. Let's just present those are like that. And yeah, that's basically it. So once you finish it, you can simply archive it or delete it. It's up to you. And you should be good to go. So that's basically how you format a board. And that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.